what's up YouTube? It's your boy's day off today, but I still want to drop a video, and I just got a package from Tomb45. Alright, so you guys know I rock with the boys over at Tomb45 Tough. So they dropped an exclusive, so I decided to grab one real quick. So, let's get up in here and check it out. And I had to grab some essentials too. So, first things first, you know how to get into the bottle, shave gel. I run through this stuff, so I'm excited. Give it another bottle. That signature Tomb45 scent, you feel me? So, good old Tomb45 shave gel. But this is what I'm really excited about. This right here. The Tomb45 crew decided to drop an exclusive limited edition. Okay, so they dropped a yellow, pink, red, blue, and lime green and neon green. So like I said, I picked the red one. So let's see what it's looking like. I'm excited because this is already my favorite razor to use because they give you the triple cartridges. You get 3 different blade exposures. Boy, stop it. I'm going to have to hit him and see if I can get another one because this joint right here is... Whew. So, typical contents. It comes with your 2 cartridges. There's one in the razor holder. And then you get a keychain also. So, normally the keychain is black. They went the extra mile with the detail on matching it to the color that you got. This is dope. So, this is going to go... at my office desk somewhere right here. But check the razor out, yo. Check the razor out. In typical Tomb45 fashion, you have 3 different cartridges to choose from with different blade exposures. And so in here right now I have a blade and I have it on the low setting, the low exposure. So if you guys can see that, or how far the blade sticks out, it's not too far, right? Not too far. Now I'm going to slide in the medium exposure. So I'm going to slide this out, take my blade out, pop this all the way out. So here's your medium exposure. You guys can see it's a lot more exposed than the low exposure. Won't focus. There we go. That's your medium exposure right there. That's going to allow you to see your heel, or your toe and your heel, your blade, for better detail around corners and doing design work and stuff like that. Alright, and then right here we're going to show you the high, the super exposed. You can see pretty much the entire blade in there. I mean, you're pretty much at as far as you can go out without it falling out on its own. But that is your super exposed. Okay, and it still closes just fine. You can pick these up if they're not sold out on Tomb45.com. That's pretty much my unboxing and review. I know it was a quick video today, but it's my day off and I'm not really doing much, so what a way to come up with some content to do an unboxing and a review. So be on the lookout for this razor and a tutorial coming near you. You know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching today. If you like today's content, hit the like button, drop a comment below, share this if you want to share this with your friends, and if you like my content, hit the red subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.